Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable the double-click to install prompt on your iPhone. So if you find it annoying when downloading apps from the App Store, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, exit out of the App Store and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to access these settings. Next, from the Use ID for, look for the iTunes and App Store option. Turn this toggle off. This will disable the double-click to install prompt when downloading apps. Now, go back to the App Store and try downloading any app. You'll notice that when you tap Install, the app will start downloading without asking you to double-click the side button. You might still need to enter your Apple ID password, but the extra double-click step is gone. And that's it. With this simple change, installing apps on your iPhone is faster and smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks.